In this video, I want to talk about how you can get credit on Temu. Now, there are actually quite a few ways that you can do this, so let me just quickly go by one. So the first one is refunds. If you're on your orders here and you request a refund for some of your items, you can request to get it in credits. And the second one, which is late orders, if your order is really late, they might compensate you with some credits. Next one is price drops. So if you bought something and price adjustment, it changed a lot, you can click on the item in here and select price adjustment, and you might be able to get some credits. Now, games and activities is probably one of the best ways to do this in Temu. So you need to download the app on your phone and then just play the games in there, and most of the time they're gonna give either credits or discount codes. Referrals, which is basically your referral. Search for Google, Temu affiliate on Google, sign up, it takes a few minutes, and then you will get these codes right here. And these codes can give you money that you can withdraw, and it can also give you credits. Now, there is also the loyalty program, which is Temu Circle, which is a subscription, so you need to pay for this. And sometimes on purchases, there might be a little credit that you can get when you buy them. So that is basically it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.